You took the vaccine because it was required, but now you're worried about what's left behind. You're not alone in feeling this way. Meet MedFive, a revolutionary oral EDTA chelation supplement designed to give you peace of mind. MedFive's patented formula is specifically crafted to address your concerns safely and effectively. With MedFive, it's not just about removing potential risks, it's about restoring your body's balance. The unique blend of EDTA, phosphatidylcholine, alpha-lipoic acid, and vitamin C works together to not only reverse plaque buildup, but also remove heavy metal toxins and rejuvenate your cell membranes from oxidative stress. This enteric-coated formula is engineered for maximum absorption, ensuring that your body gets the full benefits of ongoing detoxification from nanotechnology and synthetic biology. Recommended by experts for continuous body cleansing, MedFive offers a proactive solution to keep you feeling secure and healthy. Join countless others who have found relief and a renewed outlook with MedFive. Don't let fear dictate your health. Take control with MedFive. Visit our website to learn more and start your journey to a healthier, happier you.